Dear students, good morning to all. Today we learn about Fabaceae. First of all, Fabaceae classification, dicotyledons, polypetalae, calciflorae, rosales, Fabaceae. Once again, Fabaceae classification, dicotyledons, polypetalae, calciflorae, rosales, and Fabaceae. Fabaceae family is popularly called P family. Fabaceae include about 482 genera, 12,000 species. In India, Fabaceae family has 100 genera, 750 species found in India and Himalayas. Usually the herbs of this family appear and flowers in winter season in the Indian. Next, example plants. Glycine max, soybean, Dahlicus lab, chikudu, Dahlicus biflorus, ulvalu, Dalbergia latifolia, jittengi, Dalbergia latifolia, jittengi, గోర్ చిక్కుడు, క్రొటలేరియా జెన్షియా జనుము, శంకు పూలు, క్లిటోరియా టర్నేటా, బటర్ఫ్లై బీన్. Once again, Clitoria ternata, butterfly bean. Okay. Once again, Fabaceae family example plants: Glycine max, soybean, Dahlicus lab, chikudu, Dahlicus biflorus ulvalu, Clitoria ternata, butterfly bean or shankupulu. Sword bean, తుమ్మకాయలు, కన్నవాలియా గ్లాడియేటా. నెక్స్ట్ కజానస్ కజాన్, పిజియన్ పి, బ్యూటియా మోనోస్పెర్మా, మోదుగా, అరాకిస్ హైపోజియా, గ్రౌండ్నట్ వేరుశెనగ, సైజర్ అరాటినం శనిగ, చిక్పీ. These are example plants. Next, కజానస్ కజాన్, కందులు. నెక్స్ట్ This is Chenangi. Next. Okay, once again. Example plants. Fabaceae. Fabaceae plants example. Botany. Lathyrus odoratus. Indigofera tinctora. నీలి మందు మొక్క. పైజం సటైవం బఠానీ. పెసర్లు గ్రీన్ గ్రామ్. ఫేజియోలస్ radiatus విఘ్న radiata. నెక్స్ట్ మినుములు బ్లాక్ గ్రామ్. ఫేసియోలస్ ముంగో. కానుగ పొంగామియా పిన్నేటా. ఎగిసా టిరోకార్పస్ మార్సుపియం. టిరోకార్పస్ శాంటలైనస్ రక్తచందనం. రెడ్ శాండల్వుడ్. వెంపల్లి టెప్రోషియా పర్పురియా. టెప్రోషియా పర్పురియా వెంపల్లి. వన్స్ అగైన్ Fabaceae plants example Teprosia purpurea Vempalli, Pterocarpus santalinus red sandalwood, Pterocarpus marsupium Egisa, Pongamia pinnata Kanuga, Paseolus mungo Minumulu, Paseolus radiata or Vigna radiata Pesarlu green gram. Next Batani Pisum sativum, Indigo Indigofera tinctora Nilimandu mokka, Glycine max soybean, Dalichus lablab chikkudu, Dalichus biflorus ulvalu, Dalbergia latifolia, జిట్టెంగి, శంకుపూలు లేదా బటర్ఫ్లై బీన్. బొటానికల్ నేమ్ క్లిటోరియా టర్నేటా. క్లైటోరియా టర్నేటా. కజానస్ కజాన్ కందులు పిజిఎన్పి. సైజర్ అరాటినం చిక్పీ శనగలు. అరాకిస్ హైపోజియా గ్రౌండ్ నట్ వేరుశనగ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ హ్యాబిట్. The members of Fabaceae family show a wide range of varieties. Some are herbs, Crotalaria, Teprosia. Some are shrubs, example Casanus. Some are trees, example Pongamia, Dalbergia, Pterocarpus. Some are tendrils, slimbers, example Pisum, Lathyrus. Majority of Fabaceae members are mesophytes. Next, vegetative characters, taproot system and bears root nodules. Next, stem, aerial, erect, herbaceous herbs, hard and woody in shrubs and trees. Slimbers, the stem is example Dactyls. Tendril slimbus example Lathyrus. Next leaf. The leaves are alternate, simple Crotalaria example. Some species compound, stipulate, palvinate. Stipules are lateral and free. In in Pisum, leaves are modified into tendrils. Next, floral characters. Floral characters, inflorescence. Usually Fabaceae family, simple resin. Terminal example Crotalaria. Flowers are arranged in panicles example Dalbergia. Once again, Fabaceae family usually inflorescence is resin. Sometimes flowers are arranged in panicles example Dalbergia. Next, flowers. Flowers are pedicellate, bracteate, ebracteolate, bisexual, complete, pentamerous, zygomorphic. Once again, flowers are Fabaceae flowers are pedicellate, bracteate, ebracteolate, bisexual, complete, pentamerous, and zygomorphic. Next, calyx. Sepals 5, gamocephalous. Estivation is valvate or imbricate. Next, corolla. Petals are 5, pauplinaceous. Next, andrecium. Andrecium stamens are 10. Didelphous condition. Anthers or dithecous intros. Dehiscence of anthers is longitudinal. Next, gynoecium. Monocarpellary. Ovary is superior. Unilocular with many ovules. Ovules are marginal placenta. Style is thick and curved. Stigma is hairy or capitate. Once again, gynoecium. Monocarpellary. Ovary is a superior. Unilocular with many ovules. Ovules are marginal placenta. Only one ovule is present in trifolium and 2 to 4 in arachis. Next, style is thick and curved. Stigma is hairy and capitate. Next, fruit. Fruit is legume. Seed. Seeds are non-endospermic with two cotyledons. The seeds are covered with testa in arbus. Next, floral formula. Zygomorphic, bisexual, sepals 5 united, petals 5, 1 plus 2, 2 plus united 2, the petals are 5. Next, androecium, didynamous and didelyphus, gynoecium, superior ovary. Okay, once again floral formula. Zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx, sepals are 5 united. Next, corolla, petals are 5, 1 plus 2 plus 2 united. Androecium, didelyphus, stamens. Gynoecium is the superior. Monocarpellary. Next, pollination. Pollination, insect pollination. Next, Clistogamous flowers occurs in Arachis. Next, okay, once again, Fabaceae family. Systematic position, dicotyledons, polypetalae, calciflorae, rosales, and Fabaceae. Okay. Dicotyledons means embryo with two cotyledons. Taproot system, pentamerous flowers, leaves with reticulate venation. Next, polypetalae, petals are free. Next, calciflorae, flowers are perigynous or epigynous, ovary generally inferior, sepals united, rarely free, petals in 1 or 2 series, stamens numerous. Next, rosales, indefinite stamens, carpels 1 to 10, apocarpus, styles distinct. Flowers are usually perigynous. rarely epigynous. Once again, Fabaceae, dicotyledons, polypetalae, calciflorae, roselles, and Fabaceae. Example plants: Teprosia purpurea Vempali, Pterocarpus santalinus red sandalwood, Pterocarpus marsupium egisa, Pongamia pinnata kanuga, Paseolus mungo minumulu, black gram, పెసర్లు, Paseolus radiata or Vigna radiata, green gram, Paseola radiata, Paseolus mungo, Paseolus radiata. Next, Indigofera tinctora, indigo నీలి మందు మొక్క. Next, Lathyrus odoratus sweet pea, soybean glycine max, చిక్కుడు Dalichus lab, ఉలువలు Dalichus biflorus. Next, జిట్టంగి South Indian rosewood, Dalbergia latifolia, Crotalaria gentiana, sun hemp జనుము, శంకుపూలు లేదా బటర్ఫ్లై బీన్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ క్లిటోరియా టర్నేటా, స్వోర్డ్ బీన్, తుమ్మకాయలు, కన్వాల్వియా గ్లాడియేటా, సైజర్ అరాటినం శనగ, చిక్పీ, కజానస్ కజాన్ కందులు, పిజియన్ పీ, బ్యూటియా ఫ్రాండోసా, బ్యూటియా మోనోస్పెర్మా మోదుగ, హరాకిస్ హైపోజియా వేరుశెనగ. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ Dalichus labla. This is Crotalaria gentiana. This is Teprosia purpurea. This is Dalichus labla. Chennangi, Kazanus kazan, Pigeon pea. This is Pigeon pea. Okay. First of all, habit. The members of this family show a wide range of varieties. Some plants or herbs, example Teprosia and Crotalaria. Some plants are shrubs, example Kazanus. Some trees, Pongamia, Dalbergia and Pterocarpus. Majority of members are mesophytes. First of all, vegetative characters. Root system. Root system is taproot system and bears root nodules. Next, stem. Stems are erect, aerial, herbaceous in herbs, wood and woody in shrubs and trees. In slime burrs, the stem is twining or tendril slime burrs. Next, leaf. Leaves are simple alternate. Some species compound leaf, stipulate, palvinate. The entire leaf in lathyrus and terminal leaflets in pisum are modified into tendrils. Next, floral characters. Inflorescence is a simple raceme. Terminal, example crotalaria. Sometimes the flowers are arranged in panicles, example dalbergia. Flowers are solitary, example lathyrus. Next, flowers. Flowers are pedicellate, bracteate, ebracteolate, bisexual, complete, pentamerous, and zygomorphic. The flowers are hypogynous or perigynous flowers. Next, calyx. Sepals 5, gamocephalous, equal or unequal, and estivation is valvate or imbricate. Next, corolla. Petals are 5. Petals are 5. Free, pupillinaceous. Petals are 5, free, pupillinaceous. The uppermost and the largest petal is known as vexillum. This petal encloses upper margin of lateral pair of petals called wing petals. Wing petals in turn enclose the anterior pair of united petals termed as keel petals. Once again, corolla, petals are 5, free, pupillinaceous. Upper petal is also called as vexillum. Vexillum encloses the upper margin of lateral pair of petals called wing petals. Wing petals in turn enclose anterior pair of united petals termed as keel petals. Next, androecium. Stamens are 10. Didelyphus. They may be in 2 bundles, 9 plus 1. Or monodelyphus. In didelyphus condition, the posterior stamens are free while the other 9 united to from a sheath around the ovary. Okay, stamens are 10. Didelyphus or monodelyphus. Anthers are dithecous. Intros, dehiscence of anthers is longitudinally. Next, gynoecium. Monocarpellary. Ovaries is superior. Unilocular with many ovules are present. Marginal placenta. In trifolium, only one ovule is present. Style is thick and curved. Stigma is hairy and capitate. Next, fruit. The fruits are legume. Next, seeds. Seeds are non-endospermic with two cotyledons. Floral formula. Zygomorphic, bisexual, floral formula, zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx, sepals are 5, gamocephalous. Next, corolla, petals are 5, papilionaceous. Corolla, petals are 5. Corolla, petals are 5, papilionaceous. 1 plus 2 plus 2 arrangement, papilionaceous. Okay. Next, stamens. Stamens are 10. Stamens are 10. Dithecus, intros, and okay. Anthers are dithecus, intros longitudinally. Dehiscens, didelyphus. Okay. Next, gynoecium. Monocarpellary, ovaries are superior. Marginal placenta. Style is thick, curved. Stigma is capitate. Next. Fruit is legume. Fruit is legume. Seeds are non-endospermic. Next. Pollination. Insect pollination. Next. Economic importance of Fabaceae family. Fabaceae family has great economic value. Fabaceae family members provide many important pulses, vegetables, fodder, and vegetable oil and fibers and timbers and etc. Once again, Fabaceae family has great economic value. The members of Fabaceae family provide many important pulses, vegetables, fodder, oil and fibers and timber. Pulses. Example, the seeds of several plants yield various kinds of pulses like red gram, black gram, green gram, Bengal gram, and etc. Next, vegetables. The green Pods of bean, pea, cowpea. These are used as vegetables. Next, fodder. Majority of herbs are used as fodder. Example, Crotalaria and Phaseolus and Trifolium. Next, edible oil. Edible oil is obtained from seeds of Arachis hypoxia. Edible oil is obtained from Arachis hypoxia. Edible oil is obtained from the seeds of groundnut oil. Next, Crotalaria gentiana yield fibers. Next, timber yielding plants. Many trees yield timbers. Examples, timber yielding plants, timber yielding fabaceae plants or Pterocarpus, Pongamia and Dalbergia. Next, dyes. The blue dye extract from Indigofera tinctora. Indigofera tinctora is used in textile industry. And Butea monosperma yield yellow colored dye used for dyeing and also during the festival of Holi. Once again, Moduga yield yellow colored dye. Yellow colored dye used for festival of Holi. The blue dye is produced by Indigofera tinctora. Yellow color dye produced plant is Butea monosperma. Dried flower buds of Butea monosperma. Dried flowers buds of Butea monosperma yield yellow color dye. Yellow color dye produced by Butea monosperma. Next, medicines. Sesbania grandiflora is used as diuretic. Next, the seeds of Pongamia pinnata yield an oil called Pongam oil. Pongamia pinnata oil is used in Asia to treat skin diseases, and Pongamia pinnata oil also used in soap making and currently as biodiesel. Next, the oil cake obtained from the seeds of groundnut. Available cattle feed. Next, important characters, Fabaceae family. Important characters, herbs, shrubs and trees. Once again, Fabaceae family, important characters. Some members of family shows a wide range of variation. Some are herbs and some are shrubs and some are trees. Next, presence of root nodules. Leaves are alternate, stipulate and simple. Stipules and leaflets modify into tendrils. Next, pulvinate leaf base. Pulvinous leaf base. Next, flowers are bisexual. zygomorphic, and perigynous. Next important character is Popilinaceous corolla with vexillary estivation. Okay, Popilinaceous corolla with vexillary estivation. Stamens are 10, monodelphous or didelphous. Next, carpel are 1, unilocular, ovules many, marginal placenta. Fruit is legume. Okay, next questions. Essay type question is describe the characteristic feature of Fabaceae family and add a note on economic importance of Fabaceae. Next, short type of questions. Example: pollination mechanism in Fabaceae and economic importance of Fabaceae. Next, characters of Fabaceae. Okay. Okay, once again, this is Teprosia purpurea. Teprosia purpurea. Teprosia purpurea. Vempali. Next, this is Dolichos pea plant. Chenangi, this is Khazanus khazan. Kandulu. Okay, thank you.